Students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay. So now let's move to the further. Previously, we started with the most important topic, operators. Yeah, come in. So there we started with how many types of operators are available? 7 types of operators are there. Can you spell out? Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise membership operators, identity operators. And what Python does not contain, what Python contains, already we are aware of it, right? Fine. Now it's a time to see, it's already completed. Arithmetic operators already completed, students. So I need not to explain about arithmetic operators, and we did some examples also. I gave some homework also for you. Might be you completed up, right? So complete it and execute the programs and then test by yourself. Without doing homework, and if you come to the class, they are not students. Without completing homework, if you come to the class, they are not students. Who are those? Huh? Who is that? Without completing homework, if you come to the class, they are called, some word is there. I don't want to tell. If I tell, you will feel also. Can I tell that? No, I don't tell. So now I'll move to the further. I said this. Okay. Now this example also done in the class, students. Now it's a time to see, to move to the another type of operator. Assignment operator we discuss. Easy. So assignment operator is very simple, not a difficult. And let us start understanding about assignment operator here. You just go to the Python environment. So here I'll move to the further here, students. So there I'm having, go to the place. Here I'm going to introduce this. As we discussed already, from the beginning onwards, we are entering into what? This assignment operator. From the day one onwards, we are using it. For example, A is equal to 10. For example, I am writing A is equal to 10. The way which I am writing A is equal to 10, the symbol what I wrote, that equal to, is called what? Assignment operator we can call. So what is the use of assignment operator? Transferring RHS value, right hand side value, to the left hand side variable. Left hand side variable. Come in. Left hand side variable. Transferring RHS value to the LHS variable. Is the purpose is what? Transferring RHS value to the LHS variable, done by what? Assignment operator. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Values are transferred to where? AB. Now I'm going to say, it's not only transferring the values to left side variable. You can also write C is equal to A plus B. What is C? A plus B is called expression. C is equal to what? A plus B. A plus B is called what? Expression. Which expression it is? Arithmetic expression. So this arithmetic expression value also transfers from right side to where? Left side. So what is the syntax number 1 here? Variable is equal to value. This is called one thing. Next is called syntax number 2 is what? Variable is equal to expression. Expression. That is also going to transfer RHS values to what? LHS variables. RHS value to the LHS variable. Are you able to follow? So here, if you carefully remember, now I'll print ABC here. A comma B comma C. I'll be getting the value called what? 10, 20, 30. We got it. I hope you got it. Right. This part, if you carefully observe, one more time I will write it. SNO is equal to 100. S name is equal to some RS, and some marks is equal to what, some 33.33 I said. So I'm transferring this value to SNO, this value to name, this value to this marks. And I'll print what? SNO comma, SName comma, marks. I just printed. I'm getting the data like this. I hope you are understanding, students. Now, this type of operator, this one, and this one are called what operator? Assignment operator. This type of assignment operator is doing transferring one value at a time from RHS to what? LHS. That's why this is known as what? Single line assignment operator. Single line assignment operator. Which operator? Single line assignment operator. This part you already know. I need not to tell you, especially now. Even in mathematics also, you used to write let x is equal to 10. You used to write let y is equal to 2.5. This is all what? Transferring one value at a time to the LHS variable. We call it as which line, which operator? Single line assignment operator. There is one more assignment operator is also there, which is known as what? Multi-line assignment operator. Spell out. Multi-line assignment operator. Multi-line assignment operator we can call. Sir, what it will do? It will transfer multiple RHS value to multiple LHS variables. Example, A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. See that? A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. 10 comma 20. What is this now? Value 1, value 2, value 2. So on. What is this now? Variable 1 and variable 2 is equal to value 1 transferred into variable 1, value 2 transferred into variable 2. This is known as what? Here this assignment operator can transfer multiple RHS value to where? Multiple LHS variable. If we have right side two values, left side how many required? Two variables required. Three are there, left side three. And you don't ask me, I have right side 13, left side only two. You don't go for it. In further, I will tell you that type of situation. Are you able to follow? What this operator is known as? What this operator is known as? Multi-line assignment operator. Stand backside for a few minutes. So now I am going to take it. A comma B is equal to what? 10 comma 20. 10 comma 20. Here I am going to say print of what? C is equal to what now? A is equal to C is equal to A plus B. Print of what? A comma B comma C. Now I got the same as output or not? Similarly, number, name, marks. What is this line of assignment? Single line assignment. Can you do multi-line assignment? Come on, tell me. SNO comma, SName comma, marks is equal to 100 comma, TR comma, next is called 44.44. What this is known as? How many values on RHS? How many values left LHS? 3. How it is assigning? First to first, second to second, third to third. This is called mapping. If you go for thinking like that, it is called wrong thinking. It is called wrong assignment. Are you following me? First come, first served will be taken up. Print this now. Print of what? SNO comma, SName comma, what next? Marks. You can print the data, something like this. I hope you are following me. Now, you take it, students. A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. Now I want to do addition, subtraction, multiplication all at once. ADD comma sub comma MUL is equal to A plus B comma A minus B comma A star B. A star B. What line assignment here? Multi-line assignment. What line assignment here? Multi-line expressions. Multi-line expressions. Not only values, expression 1, expression 2, expression 3, variable 1, variable 2, variable 3. So print this now, add, ADD, got answer. Next is called what? Sub, got an answer. Multiplication, got an answer. Are you able to follow? Done. This is related to what? Multi-line assignment. So assignment operator can be used by us in how many ways? Two ways. One is by using ఏంటదంతది చెప్పండి. సో a comma b is equal to 10 20. Kuch. Next, add sub mul is equal to this data. Now printed. Are you able to follow? Next step. I would like to move to further. So an assignment operator can be used in how many ways? Two ways. One is by using single line assignment operator, multi-line assignment operator, multi-line assignment operator. Can I go for next example? Look at. Now I'm going to say A is equal to 100, A comma B is equal to 100 comma 200. Print of what? A comma B. What is that values? 100 comma 200. I want to do interchange these values. Interchanging. Interchanging means what? B value should go to A value should go to B. Using what? Multi-line assignment. Tell me. A comma B is equal to B comma A. A comma B is equal to B comma A. It's a very, very useful technique. B value, A value will be taken first. What is the value of B? 100. Today only came to the class. What is the value of B? 200. Transfer to where? A. What is the value of A? Transfer to where? B. So print what? A comma B. Print AB. What is this? Interchanged or not? Yes. This is one of the logic. There are totally 6 logics are available. There are 6 logics, 5 logics are available to exchange the values. For swapping of values, there are almost 5 logics are available. One of the logic is this one. Very frequently asked question. I want to interchange the values without using what? Another variable. So I'm using multi-line assignment. Are you able to follow? So what is the use of assignment operator? What is the use of assignment operator? Quickly, easy now. To transfer the RHS value to LHS variable. So how many types of assignment operators? 2 types. Number 1, single line assignment, multi-line assignment. Come on, read out all of you. Assignment operator. The purpose of assignment operator is that to assign or transfer RHS value or expression value to the left-hand side variable. The symbol for assignment operator is single equal to. In Python programming, we can use assignment operator in 2 ways. Single line assignment, multi-line assignment. Single line assignment. Example, syntax. LHS variable name is equal to RHS value. LHS variable name is equal to RHS expression. With a single line assignment, at a time we can assign one RHS value or expression to the single LHS variable name. Example, A is 10, B is 20, C is equal to A plus B. These two sentences are this example. This one is for this. Are you following? Print of ABC. Got it. Multi-line assignment statement. Variable 1, variable 2, variable n is equal to value 1, value 2, value n. Or variable 1, variable 2, variable n is equal to expression 1, expression 2, expression n. Here, value 1, value 2, value n are assigned to variable 1, variable 2, variable n respectively. That means these values are assigned like this. Assigned to like this. I hope you are following me. Assigned it like this. This is called a correct mapping. Another way, here the values of expression 1, expression 2, expression n are assigned to what? Variable 1, variable 2, variable n respectively. Now, go to the point of it. A comma B, print of AB. CDE is equal to A plus B, A minus B, A star B. C comma D comma E, the values are printed. SNO, S name marks and printing this is a multi-line assignment and printing the data. A comma B printing this data and swapping logic and printing this data. Are able to follow? Right. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. All of you open the notes. When you come to the class, open the notes and keep it. Okay. When I say open the notes, means then you are opening your luggage bag and you are taking. when you come to the class, open your notebooks. Write a Python program which will accept any two values, which will accept any two values, which will accept any two values, which will accept any two values and swap them, swap them, swap or interchange them, interchange, interchange them, interchange them. Hmm? So now I will go for writing the code. Okay, right. Now I will start writing the code now. I am writing the code. Now see, I will write the code and I will show you. You need not to show the program for me. All the students in the online and offline, whenever I give the homework, you do it. You need not to show the program by coming to Hyderabad, need not to show. Okay, you be in the class. Whenever I ask, you respond it. Otherwise, if you are over excitement is there, I will remove from the meeting. 100%. Okay. Now to one student only I am saying, and you know who is that student. Now, because he is a famous student. Already everybody knows. Yeah. Now, no over excitement. When I say, are you following? Okay, yes, sir. Doubt is there? You can ask. Most welcome. That's all. Other than that, marked for deletion, 100%. Compulsory I will remove. Doubt is there? Most welcome. Now I will go for what? Swap. Swap. That is example1.py. Swap example1.py. Program for, because give me an opportunity for explaining more content in the class. Program for swapping, program for swapping any two values, any two values. Now I'm going to say, now I'm going to explain something like this. See students, I'm going to give you in the pandas when you come to have a journey with me up to last data science modules also I'm going to teach. For example, if you go to Google's Play Store is there. In Play Store, that case study I will explain. It is a project. You can keep it in the resume also. Almost I am teaching 30% data science in Python only. In Play Store, how many apps are there? Write a program to show the number of apps in Google Play Store. And out of that, multiple don't tell. Tell me one number. Number I want. You will say, how many stars are there in the sky? If you say multiple, I will believe. But you are a programmer, keep in mind. Understand? I want to write a code for finding number of what? Apps in Google Play Store. And out of that, how many of them are freely downloadable? How many of them are paid things? What is the hit ratio of each one? Hit ratio. What is the hit ratio of YouTube? How many people are watching? I will tell you all those case studies in the class. It is not a normal Python class. It is an extra branding for Python class. Understand? That's why be careful. Understand everything. Read, practice, come to the class. Don't do any extra things. Okay? Read, practice, come to the class. Three things. After the course is over, after getting the job, you do whatever you like it. But during the course, read, practice, come. Daily, that is not one day. Once you come to the class, open the notes and sit, okay? Don't try to sit, bag is keeping one side, 20 kgs luggage bag. Whenever I say taking the bag and searching here and there, don't do that. Keep your notes ready, okay? Now, let us write. I will go to the point here. Move to the further. Swap example1.py. Swap example1.py. In that, I will take how many values? two values, I will accept it. A comma B is equal to input of enter value of A. Enter value of A. Now I am writing, see how I am writing this. Enter value of A, comma, what next? Enter value of B. What is this reading? Multi-line assignment. I am reading also in multi-line way. Now, after that, now I am going to say, some of the people searched in the Google also. So, if you search in Google and if you tell, I am not a Google person to search in that. How many apps are there in Play Store? I'm not ready to listen such English news. I want you to write the Python program to find the number of apps in Google Drive. Right. Okay. Leave it. You take care. I am not giving any internal marks here. Now go for the swapping. I am going to write it. Now see here. Now I'm writing 50. Now I'm saying print off original value of A. Original value of A. Original value of A is equal to dot format of what? A. Now, so for example, one more case study also I'll tell you. Indians medical health data, I will take it. Suppose you take one corporate hospital, some patients will come or not. In 1 year, how many patients visited to particular healthcare center, particular hospital, corporate hospital? Out of that, they suffered with which diseases I want to list out. Disease-wise patients I want. Monthly, how many diabetic patients, how many are BP patients, how many are like that I want to get it. How many patients visited to the hospital in particular time, particular day, morning shift, evening shift, all that information I just want to go for it. This is what we can call it as the information about the case studies I will explain. That is in the pandas level I am going to explain. Until that, you need to follow me. Now next go to where value of B. So next is called B value I will print. After that I will print what here? Swapping logic I will write it. What is the logic I am writing? Swapping logic. Swapping logic I am going to write it. What is the swapping logic here? Already I said to you. Please tell me. What is that now? A comma B is equal to B comma A. What is this is called? Multi-line assignment. Multi-line assignment. So multi-line assignment. Now print. What is the value? Swapped value of A, you print it. Swapped value of A. So swapped value of A. Swapped value of A. Swapped value of B, you write it. Swapped value of B, you write it. Try to run it. Any value you enter. Any value enter 100 and then 20, 100 and 200, 100 and 200 and 210, 100 and that. Now you enter something like Python, and Python you say, Java you say, Python Java and Java Python. You say something like 100 and then next is called what? Rosum you say. Now 100 Rosum and then Rosum like this. Are you following? 2 plus 3j and next is called what? True you say, and you are going to get this data. Are you following, students? This is for what? How to go for swapping. One more swapping logic also I will tell you. So coming to the point of it, now Mayank is getting one doubt. He is also supposed to write imposition. Any value I said, any two values. Integers I am not writing, float I am not writing. Any values means what? I need not to write float of, int of. I should not write any conversion there. If I write a conversion, it is a too much particular program. Mr. Mayank, you must improve your talent in reading the subject. Day by day, you must improve your talent. So, if you ask such things, in further, I may not be responding to that. It's a very small doubt. So, 2.py, go to the another one. I will copy this now. I'll copy this now. Here I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to take up 2.py. Enter two values. Now here, another swapping logic I am going to write it. What is the swapping logic? What are the two values are available? A value is something 10 and B value is something like what, 20. What I do in order to exchange, one is called a multi-line assignment. You should not write A is equal to B, B is equal to A. That time both of them will contain what value? Same value will be there. For that, what I do, students, take the value of A, preserve into some other variable. Take the value of A, preserve into some other variable. What is this A contains now? 10. I am keeping in where? T. How do you write it? T is equal to A. What is the value of A? 10. Kept into where? So I kept my A value into some other person T I kept in. Now in A I should transfer which value? B. B. What is the value of B? 20. 20 will be kept in where? A 20. Now B should contain which value? A value. A value was preserved in where? T. How do you write it now? B is equal to what? T. What was the T value? Which was the old value of A or not? Place it in where? B, which is going to contain what? 10. So I will write what? T is equal to A. A is equal to B. B is equal to T. B is equal to T. B is equal to T. I hope you are following me. So this is also called what? One more logic. But this logic is not that much preferable. Why? 3 variables takes more memory space. That's why I'll take multi-line assignment is one of the best logic. Are you following me? So let us run this example also. Let us run this example also. 100 and what? Java. 100 and Java and Java and 100. And one more thing is called what? 100 and 100.45. And is also going to be done like this. Are you following, students? Now, there is one more logic is also there, students, that I want to tell you. Of course, all the logics I want to tell you in one moment. Next, I will go to another logic. Please look into that. Because one problem solving require multiple things. Because learn the subject. What you have done it, you learned it. But don't learn it. You try to apply to the problem areas. Now I'm going to say swapping. Any two values I'm not writing. After explaining, I will show you now. See, students. Now I'm going to talk about A value. Be careful, ma. A value is going to contain 10. B value is going to contain 20. B value is going to contain 20. Now I'm going to write it. One logic I wrote what? A comma B is equal to B comma A. This is logic number 1. T is equal to A is equal to B is equal to T. That is the another logic. Another logic. This is applicable for all sorts of values. Now I am going to tell you particularly for one category or some category of values only. Please look into that. That logic is add both of them. Of course, this will come by practice, by understanding only. Add both of them. What is the value of A plus B? Come on. 30. That 30 I will keep it into A only, students. A. What is the value of A? What was the value of A original value? 10. What was the original value of B? 20. Now it is going to contain what now? 30. Okay. Next after that, you apply your mathematics knowledge. This 30 minus 20, how much? 10. That 10 was what? Old value of A or not? That you keep it in where? B. Tell me now. A minus B. What is the value of A now? 30. 30 minus B? 20. How much? 10. Which was the old value of what? A. Now keep it in where? B. What is the value of B now? 10. Again you subtract it. Again you subtract it. 10 minus 20. 20 minus 30 minus 10. 20. 20 was the old value of what? Keep it in where? Now tell me now. A is equal to A minus B. What was the value of A? 30. 30 minus B value. How much? 20. Keep it in where? A. This is becoming what now? 20. Now 20 coming here. 10 is going here. Is it not swapping of two integers? Swapping of two integers. If they ask specially, this is also used how many variables only? Two variables only used it. But this is applicable only for what? integers. Swapping of any two integers. Any two integers. Any two integers. Mayank. Now I will write it what? Int of. Int of. I am writing here. Now I am writing one more time. Int of. Like this I am writing. So get this value. Now do like A is equal to A plus B. Tell me now. B is equal to A minus B. A is equal to A minus B. A minus B. I hope you got it. Swapped value of A, swapped value of B. Try to run this now. 10, 20. Got the values now. 10, 20, 20, 10. You enter next is called what? Minus 10 and then 20 here. Minus 10, 20, 20 minus 10. You can apply any sort of value. 1000 and then what? Minus 5,000, 6,000. You enter whatever you like it. Are they going to be available or not? This is something like this. I hope you are understanding this. Are you able to follow? This is related to swapping. Third logic is this. In further, I will tell you some more logic also using what operators? Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators using that also. I will tell you one more logic, which is also very, very important logic. I will tell you this logic also. With that, how many logics will be over? Now 3 I said, 4, 5. 4, 5 also I will tell you in the further. Is it clear? This is related to which operator? Assignment operator. Assignment operator, you understood. If anybody asks you tomorrow, what is assignment operator? Tell directly, we can use assignment operator in two ways. Single line assignment, multi-line assignment. Then interviewer is very much eager to learn what is multi-line assignment. What is the purpose of both of them? Transferring RHS value to LHS. Symbol is what? Equal to. And syntax you have to explain. And you have to go for examples also. That is the way to explain. So once you explain something, they should appreciate you. Like that, you need to go for it. And to go for that, you need to practice and come. Then only it is possible to do it. Now let us go to the another operator. What is the next operator I am going to take? Relational operators. Is assignment operator clear? How many types of assignment operators? Two types. One is single line assignment operator, multi-line assignment operator. Did you understand both of them? Do you know the syntaxes? Good. Now I'm going to enter into what? Relational operators. Very, very simple. Let us move to the third operator is called relational operators. Very good. Now you know relational operators. What is the use of arithmetic operators? To perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, normal division, floor division. Definitely interviewer will ask what is floor division? He will ask what is the normal division, difference between that. There only lot of questions will come. If you know the operator single slash and double slash, you can get many questions from there only. How to take other person into your context with good subject. There is no techniques available to manage the other person. Only with the subject you can impress others people. Yes or no? With your own extra knowledge, you cannot impress. You have to impress the other person only with your talent. To get the talent, read, practice, daily attending the class. Anyone missing, you will not get the talent. You will get extra talent. Outside talent will come. Be careful. Now I am going to enter into the further. Now I am going to talk about it. Relational operators. What is the use of arithmetic operators? I said to perform arithmetic operations. You know, 7 arithmetic operators are there. What is the use of assignment operator? To transfer RHS value to LHS, either single line or multi-line. Now, relational operators purpose is for comparison of two values. Your marks, my marks comparison. Your weight, another person weight. Your height, another person height. Your percentile, another person percentile. They want to go for a comparison. For comparison of two values, I will go for what? Relational operators. Shall I write the purpose? Now, the purpose of relational operators is that to compare two values, to compare two values only at a time. Now, in Python programming, or I will write one more way. If two or more, two or more, two or more values or variables or what objects connected with, connected with, connected with what? Connected with what? Relational operators, relational operators, then it is called what? Already said. Is called relational expression, relational expression, arithmetic expression, relational expression. If two or more values or objects connected with relational operators, then it is called what? Relational expression. Now, in Python programming, we have six types of, six types of, six types of six types of relational operators. They are given in the following table. They are given in the following table. Following table. What is the table? I just want to write the table. I just want to write the table. The students who are communicating with me, I'm really appreciating them. Please continue that. All the people who are all continuing, I'm really appreciating. Please continue that. Symbol. Those who are not interacting with me, please interact. I'm requesting them, please interact. Now I'm going to say meaning. Now I'm going to say examples. Let us start understanding number one. What is the symbol here? Greater than. Spell out. Meaning is greater than, greater than. Now I will go to the example. Print of 10 greater than 20. 10 greater than 20. First, false. False. Very good. What is this 10 greater than 20 called? ఇక్కడ చెప్పాను కదమ్మా, relational expression. Relational expression gives the result as what? False. One more example I will write it. One more example I will write it. 10 greater than 2. What is the answer? True. I will write true. The result of relational expression, here I will write it. The result of relational expression, the result of relational expression is either true or what? False. Bool values will come. Bool value. So bool values will come. Now, students, the relational expression is also called the relational expression. The relational expression is also called test condition. Is also called test condition. What is meant by condition? If my time in the watch is 6:10, I'll start my class. Is it a condition or not? If it is morning 6:10, will you come to the class? If the condition is satisfied, if the condition is true, you will do the operation. Otherwise, you will not do that. Relational expression is also called what? And whose result can be either true or what? False. Either true or what? False. I hope you are getting me. Now coming to the second. Please remember, all these points are very, very important. Second one I'm going to write. Come on, symbol. Less than, less than, less than. Now what is the answer? Example, print of 10 less than 20. Quickly. True. Are you good in true and false? Good? 10 less than 3. Come on. False. Okay. False. Are you good in true or false? Are you good? Raise the hands. Who is good? Just I want to see that. Who is good? Raise your hands. Giridharan is saying raising the hand. Online student. I want to see offline. Who is good in true and false? Who is good? True and false. Who is good? In true and false, who is good? 3 times I am asking. How fear you are having? Girls, who is perfect? True and false? She's perfect. She's saying like that. Are you perfect? Your friend is saying. Both of them I will ask. Okay. Perfect, huh? Hmm? Perfect? You are observing what he will ask like that. Okay. If I am taking an interview, I don't ask these questions. I don't ask this 10 greater than 20, 20 greater than 10. I don't ask these questions. I'll ask something different. What is my question, India greater than or equal to INDAI. Nobody will answer. Dollar, dollar greater than hash. Nobody can answer. I will ask this type of questions. Nobody can answer, including your trainer also. Already you feel that I know greater than, less than, I will do wonders and all. If you come to me, I'll sit on the ground. I'll make you to sit on the ground, not in the chair also. That type of questions I'll ask. That I will explain in the class. That's why don't miss my single class. Okay. Don't worry. I'll train you everything for you. Now go to the point. What is the symbol? Are you following? India. And this one. I will explain that examples happily. Listen the class. Now, there are a lot more things are there. Daily, I will educate you in next level mode. I will take you. Now, are you following me? Yes. Go to the next. What is the next one? Not equal to. Tell me. Not equal to. Not equal to. Not equal to. What is this now? Print of 10 not equal to 20. Hmm? True. True. Next, 10 not equal to 10. Hmm. Good. False. Very good. Now I am going to write it. One more thing I will write it. This is a fourth, I will keep it. Third, I will write it, students. Third, I am using double equal to, two equal to symbols. This will be spelled, this is called what? Equality operator. Spell out. This must be spelled by you as what? Double equal to. Spell out. Double equal to. Double equal to. So, double equal to. Now answer my question. 10 double equal to 20. False. 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 Now I will write it one more. 10 double equal to 10 double equal to 10. True. True. Right. Done. Not equal to. People will ask you, what is the difference between single equal to and a double equal to? Simple, fresher level question. This is called what? Assignment operator. This is called what? Compare equality of the values. Want to check it. Go to next. Go to next. Not equal to. Are you able to follow? 10 not equal to 20. True. 10 not equal to 10 is called what? False. Now, fifth one I am going to talk about it. Suppose I am conducting one written test in your college as a placement, online, some placement, some company came. I want to take those students whose cutoff marks are what? Greater than or equal to 90. Up to 90, more than 90. Up to 90 means what? Equal to. More than 90 means what? Greater. How many symbols I need to use? Greater than or equal to. So spell out greater than or equal to, or equal to, equal to. I will write the example. Print of what? 10 greater than or equal to 20. False. False. Now I am writing print of what? 10 greater than or equal to 5. Come on. True. Good. Now, last one I am going to take. Sixth. Come on. Opposite. Less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Equal to. Come on. Next I'm going to talk about it. Come on. Print. 10 less than or equal to 20. True. True. I'm going to write it true. Now I'm going to write it 10 less than or equal to 10. Come on. Also true because equal to and then. Good. Now I'm going to write it 10 less than or equal to 5. False. Are you following me? These things are comes under what? Relational operators. Then open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which demonstrates the concept of which demonstrates the concept of which demonstrates the concept of relational operators, which demonstrates the concept of relational operators, which demonstrates the concept of relational operators. Right, students, go to that. Now I'm going to take up that go to the PyCharm, same folder is same, right click, new Python here, relational. So relational operators example.py. So it is not one day topic, student. It is a daily we are going to take up. Program for demonstrating which operators? Relational operators. Relational operators. Now I'm going to take up. How many values I will take it? 2 values I'll take and I will apply the comparison. A is equal to what? Int of input of enter value of A. Enter value of A. Value of A. Similarly, I will take enter the value of B. I will take the value of B. I am taking B. Now I am going to say, students, some mechanism I am taking. And the result of what? Relational operators I am going to print. There I am going to say. Now I am going to say result of what operators? Relational operators. Relational operators I am going to take up. Here I am going to take up. See, students, here I am writing something like this. I will say one A value, symbol called greater than, another value is equal to, now I am writing result of that greater than operator. Result of that greater than operator. Dot format of what? A comma B comma A greater than B. I want to demonstrate the symbol called greater than. I am just writing this. Are you following me? Just test it. Just test it. Try to run this. Enter the value of A 10. Enter the value of 20. 10 greater than 20 false. See, ela print avutundi. Are you following me? Now, this is a false. Let me print one true result also. Enter the value of A 10. Enter the value of 5. 10 greater than 5 is called what? True. Are you able to follow? Yes. Let us start writing about another thing. Come on now. Can I copy and paste? Yes. Now see, students, what I will write it? Less than. I'm writing less than. See, students, I'm writing less than. I'm saying this. You try to run, students, once again. You say 10 and 10. You say 10 and 20. One is true, one more is false. 10 greater than 20 false, 10 less than 20 true. Because greater than or less than is quite opposite. Both of them want to be false. Enter the same value. Enter the same value. Both of them are what? False only. Understand? Go to the next. What are the next, students? Double equal to. You write it there, double equal to. You write it there, double equal to. You try to run their students. You say 10, 20. This is 10 greater than 20 false, 10 less than 20 true, 10 double equal to 20 false. You try to run it once again. 10, 10 you enter, 10, 10 is equal to true. Got the answer. Are you getting me? Simple. Similarly, I'll go for what, ma? One more is called what? Not equal to. Good. Not equal to. I will say here also change it. Not equal to. Good. You try to run this again here. 10, 20 you say. 10 not equal to 20 what? True. You enter similar value, students. 10 and 10 you enter. 10 not equal to 10 is called what? False. Let us carry. I will take up what next? Greater than or equal to I will take up. Greater than or equal to I will write it. Greater than or equal to written. Similarly, I will write what, ma? Less than or equal to, I will write it. Less than or equal to, I will write it. Less than or equal to. Finished. Run this. Done. 10, 20. 10, 20. All the things is done. 10 greater than or equal to 20 false. 10 less than or equal to 20 true. Try to run last and final. 10, 10. See that is false. 10 double equal to 10 is true. 10 not equal to 10 false. 10 greater than or equal to 10 is true. 10 greater than or less than or equal to 10 also true. This is related to, for comparison of values, we use what operators? Relational operators. Understand? Very, very important concept. Daily I will use it. Relational expressions are also called what? Test condition, which is going to give you either result is true or false. What is the condition? Condition is called one of the relational expression, which will give you either true or false. Your bus journey is at night 11 a.m., 11 p.m. So you will go to bus stand now only. 1 hour before, depends on the distance you will go or not. Night 11 p.m. Will you go to morning 11 a.m.? So what is important? Condition. When the condition is satisfied, I will go. Otherwise, I will stop. Are you following? Relational expression is also called test condition. If the condition is true or false. So condition is also called one type of relational expression. You have to remember. If you forget, I can't do anything. I am saying that it is a condition. Are you able to follow? Right. So coming to the point of it. Right. Now I will move to the another kind of operator. What is an operator? Logical operators. This I will go to logical operators. Up to here clear? Are you getting your knowledge? Now I'm going to enter into where? Logical operators. Logical operators I am going to enter. Now I'm going to enter into the logical operators. Online students, is your knowledge is increasing day by day? Is your knowledge is increasing day by day? Right. Okay. Increasing. Good. Now I'm entering into the logical operators. What is the use of logical operators? Already you studied C language and everything. Many times you studied. So, of course, this I will ask very regularly in the class. Why? Because I said not day one what I said. Your previous knowledge, my class knowledge. Pick at 6:10, pick at 7:45. And seeing both of them, where is the happy face is there? Happy face is important. Always happy. When happy? When subject is there, happy. Otherwise, dull. Dull, obviously. Now, so, come to the point of it. That's what this extra knowledge is important now. That's what you are marked for deletion. So, be careful. Now, already I took a decision on Saturday, Friday, etc. Still, if you overexcite, I will remove. Okay? Be careful. So, okay? You already there with me. So I will just click on one word is there, remove. Or I will put you in the waiting room. Waiting room, if I keep it, neither you cannot leave the class, nor you cannot rejoin. It is just like put it in the jail until you get bail. Okay? Be careful. Now I will go to the topic. Now, yeah. Logical operators shall start. Shall we start? Good. Who knows C language here? Sarga, I will ask daily this point. Girls, everybody knows. Right, good. Now I will go to the point. Whoever says I know C language, they are innocent people. In Telugu, it's called Amayakulu. So they are innocent. So let it be, no problem. If I ask a question in relational operators, nobody will answer it. You will see in the same class. 7:45, 7:50, I will ask that question. Wonder. That only will come in interviews. Normal questions, nobody will ask. And or not, nobody will ask. That is already days gone. When we were the students, what is and operator? What is or operator? What is not operator? These days, nobody will ask. I'll ask the questions that only will come in MCQs tomorrow. That only will come in MCQs. Please remember this word. Day one, I said this only, na? Every question is from my notes. Please practice and come. Okay. Now, logical operators, purpose I want to tell you. Logical operators table I want to tell you. My requirement today is something like this. Now I'm going to enter into the, my requirement today is to compare, to find, biggest of three numbers. Biggest of what? Three numbers. A value 10, B value 20, C value 25, or something like 15. Now I want to find the biggest of what? Three numbers. Simple English meaning. I want to tell A is bigger. If A is bigger means what? If I say A is bigger means what are the conditions to satisfy? A value must be greater than B value. A value must be greater than C value. Then E is called what? A is bigger. Tell me, to say, చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఎంత, to say A is bigger. A is bigger. A is big. Provided, what should I do? A greater than B. A greater than C. Correct or not? What is A greater than B called? ముద్దుబాబులు ఇప్పుడే కదా చెప్పింది మీకు. It is known as what? Expression. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పింది జస్ట్ నౌ. మీకు మొత్తం బ్రెయిన్ అంతా కలిపి ఎక్కడో ఉంటుంది అది. నాట్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ బ్రెయిన్ ప్లేస్. వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్? What is this is called? Both the relational expressions I am combining or not? To combine two or more relational expressions, I want one connectivity operator. What is it? Logical operator. Suppose you are going to prepare one pipeline, student, one pipeline. This is a straight pipeline. Plumber is preparing this a pipeline, for example. And you need to take the turn. You need to take turn. Another person is prepared one more pipeline vertically. So they need one connector or not? They need one connector, student. This connector is going to be something like this. Is it a connector operator or not? This connector operator of what expressions? Relational expression 1, relational expression 2 is connected with what operator? Yes. Are you following me? Yes. Now, A is bigger. How I will connect it? I will use one operator called what? And. In C language, C++, Java, C#.NET, you will use a double ampersand operator. This operator, you will use it. In Python, you will use what? And operator. Are you following? Well, next, to say B is bigger. To say this expression is combined together. This is known as relational expression 1. This is called relational expression 2. Both of them are combined together. To combine two or more relational expressions, I will use what? This is also called what? One sort of what? Test condition only. But how many conditions are there? More than one condition is available. It is called compound test condition. Compound, single test condition, compound test condition. Compound means what? More than one condition is called what? Compound. Compound conditions are prepared with what? Yes. So now I will say, to say B is bigger. To say B is bigger. Tell me now, how do you write it? Come on. B greater than A and B greater than what? C. Beautiful. I connected one expression, another expression with one connector. Next, please. To say B is to say what? C is bigger. What should I write it? C greater than A and what? C greater than what? B. Is it multiple conditions are there or not? Yes. What is this is known as? Now I am going to write the purpose. The purpose of, I'll tell you so many examples like this. The purpose of logical operators is that, the purpose of logical operators is that to combine, to combine two or more, two or more relational expressions, two or more relational expressions. Now, next one I am going to write it. The logical operators, if two or more, if two or more logical expressions are connected with, I'm writing, if two or more logical relational expressions are connected with what? Logical operators, logical operators, then it is called, then it is called logical expression, logical expression, logical expression. Logical expressions results, the result of what? Logical expression, the result of logical expression is either true or false, true or false, true or false. Good. These are nothing but what values? Bool, bool values. Now I'm writing the relational expression is also called what? Compound condition, compound. So compound test condition in pandas level, in matplotlib, these are important. Compound what? Conditions. Are you following? This is compound test condition. I want to find the highest total in Hyderabad district. I want to find the highest total in some other district. So district wise highest totals I want. I want a district wise highest maths marks I want to get it. I want to get highest mean marks in district wise. I want a district wide survey, data analysis I want. How to do it using Python coding? I want to tell you that case study also. Intermediate 10th class announced the results. Which district got highest percentage of marks? Which district got lowest percentage of marks? How to find out that? Some data analysis is required. That we want to go for it. So now coming to the further. Shall I move further now? Now I'm going to write it. In Python programming, we have three types of what? Logical operators. Logical operators. They are given in the following table. Given in the following table. Following table. So now I am going to enter into the table here. I will go for the table. So I'm going to write the table now. Try to follow. So coming to the point of it. What is that now? Serial number, SLNO. Symbol I am going to write it. Symbol I am going to write it. Meaning I am going to write it. Example I am not going to write. Example separately I will explain. Separately I will explain because I need to talk much more in that. Now I am going to talk first one. What is that? And small. Don't ask me, sir, can I write a capital A, small n? Don't write like that. Small and you need to take. What this is known as? What is the meaning? In C language, we call it as what? Double ampersand we can call. In bitwise operators, if we come, there is a single ampersand will be there. 100% question will be this. Now this is known as what? Physical ANDing. Physical ANDing. Spell out once. Physical ANDing. ANDING. Next, second one I am going to talk about OR. OR. In C language, OR is going to be written like this. What this is called? OR. What this symbol is called? What this symbol is called? Pipe. ఏ పైప్ ఇది? వాటర్ పైపా? ఏం పైప్ ఇది? So coming to that is called vertical slash. So this is known as what? Physical ORing. Physical ORing. Spell out. Next, the third one is what? Not. Not. Come on, what is this now? Physical knotting up. మీకు ఏం రాదని నాకు ముందే తెలుసు. Now, first day only, after speaking to you 10 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, I decide that day only. So I'll make you good, provided if you follow me. And before speaking, think about it. Don't speak whatever you like it, okay? That's what I now. So it's not like that. Now I'm going to introduce physical handing. In bitwise handing will be coming. Bitwise handing, physical handing. Bitwise ORing, physical ORing will come. The difference I want to tell you. So first operator I will discuss. What is the first operator? And operator I will explain. And operator I will explain. And operator I will explain here. Try to follow carefully. Now I am going to write it. What is the English meaning of and? And ante enti. I will go to the shop. I want to buy one pen, pencil, one lace packet I want to buy. Because during writing, I want to eat and I want to write like. Come on, how do you write it? I want how many? 3. Oh, I will go to the shop. I will ask, do you have pen? Yes. Do you have pencil? Yes. Do you have lace packet? No. Will you buy there? No. I will go to. You may don't say, sir, 2 I will buy, 1 I will buy. No. My strategy is all of them want to buy at one place only. So here, first is satisfied, second is satisfied, third one not satisfied. If all of them satisfied, then I will buy it. Correct or not? Then what is that? And meaning is left side, right side, both of them satisfied. Then I will go for selecting that. Otherwise, I will not select. Selecting means what? True. Not selecting means what? False. So how and operator works internally? And means what? Both. And means what? Both. Both of them satisfied, then the result is satisfied. Anyone is not satisfied, result is not satisfied. Are you following? Or means what? Anyone is satisfied, result is satisfied. Both of them not satisfied, result is what? Not satisfied. Now, first I will explain this. The functionality of, I will write the syntax first. Syntax first. Syntax is what? Relational expression 1 and what? Relational expression 2. Relational expression 1 and relational expression 2. I will write it. The functionality of and operator is given in the following truth table. In the following truth table. In the following truth table. In our 10th class level, 8th class, 9th class, somewhere else, you will get truth tables. And table, or table, not table, like that. That I want to write the table here. Try to follow, students. I will write the table here. Carefully follow. There I am writing 3 things here. What is that? Relational expression 1, relational expression 2, relational expression 1, relational expression 1, and what? Relational expression 2. So there I am going to write it. There I am going to write it. Now I am going to say relational expression 1 and relational expression 2. So coming to the point of it. So now I am going to say, coming to the point of it, subject is important. Other than that, if you speak, I will remove you so quickly. So ready, I will remove very soon. I already warned you, student. Now, what is the probability of relational expression 1 values? Relational expression 1 values are what possibilities? Either true or relational expression 2 values. How many values actually? 2 values. What are those? True, false. If 2 values can be prepared in how many combinations? 4. True, true, false, false, true, false, false, true, false, true. Are you following me? Now, come on to the point of it. Come on now. True. Come on, next. False. This is one pair. Next is called what? Next. False and then what? True. Next what? False. False. Next is what? Next what now? True. And next is what? True. True. Now, true, false. What is the answer? Good. I already said if both of them are true, result is true. If anyone is false, result is false. Come on. True, false, false. Next, please. False. Next. False. Next. True. Good. Very good. Now you are a good student. Let me exercise on that area. Example 1, example 1, example 2, example 2, and example 3. Mind-blowing example is also there. I am expecting final output. These are all very simple, left hand, left finger for you. These are all very easy things, nothing difficult. My intention is to tell about other example. That is my intention to go for it. Well, go to the place and try to enter. Here I am going to take it. True, false, true and false, true and false. Answer is like that. What is this now? False and what? True. Answer is what now? False. False and false. False. Next is called what? True and true. True and true. True and true. What? True. Now, happy? Okay. Good. I'll create one small doubt in your brain. And it is most wonderful doubt. You will appreciate me when I answer that question also to you. Right. Be careful. Let me create a doubt. If an interviewer is asking the doubt, how you will answer, I want to see. Here. True, false. Which false? This one only result, na? False, true. What is the result? False, false. Which false? First false, second false? You don't say, sir, anyone is false, no problem. Now, which false you want, sir? Why you want? That is what I need. Next is what? Which true? First, first gani, second gani. Danlo malla conflict. This I will explain. That is what is my question. If anybody asks you, first true, second true, how do you prove it? There is no proof, only guessing and saying, correct or not? For that, I will give you one beautiful explanation for you. Understand? Like that, you need to think about it. Well, coming to the point back, next I'm going to talk about it. 10 greater than 20 and 20 greater than 3. 20 greater than 3. Right. Kahana Behra, my dear student, true, false only you need to take into consideration. 0, 1, 1, 0, that is not the case. That is a completely blunder. The faculties in the colleges, they will say what? True is 1, false is 0. They will tell like that. That is a completely blunder explanation what they say. That is what is I am going to tell in the class for you. You don't think that 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, that is equal to true, false. If you think like that, you are the most worst student. If you that, because they will tell like that, because they don't know what is the real standards. I will tell you, they are completely different. True and false is completely different. Okay, please follow. So, because you are going wrong direction, that's why I'm correcting you. You follow me. That's all. Now, 10 greater than 20 and 20 greater than 30. 3. What is that? False. Good. False. What is the first one? First one answer. False. Next. What is the answer? False. Okay now? Be careful. 10 greater than 20 and 30 greater than 4 and 40 greater than 20. Answer. False. First one is what? Second one. Second one. First one. False. Rest of them are what? What is the answer now? Right. Here I want to tell you one small importance. Students, now I'm going to say students, you follow me. There is a topic in all the programming languages. There is a topic in all the programming languages. All programming languages contains one beautiful topic called what? Short circuit evaluation. Short circuit CUR, circuit evaluation, short circuit evaluation, which is invented by MC Karthi, is a scientist invented, and every person will follow that type of concept in the programming languages because it is having great advantage. What is that short circuit evaluation says? Your house is 10 kilometers. Shortcut route is only 4 kilometers. Which one you will prefer? Because of shortcut going, fuel is changing, fuel is saved, your time is saved, a lot of things now. Come on now. What is the first one? False. Once it is false, your PVM will not go to second condition, third condition, it will not go. Why? When first one is false, even the second one is true or false. Even the second one true or false. Even the third one true or false. It never bother about true or false. It is straightforward. Final result is what only. So why to go to second and third unnecessarily wasting the time? Are you following? So what is evaluating here? First one only evaluating. Is it going to second and third? No, that's why it is known as what? This is called what? Short circuit evaluation. First one also what? First one is what? False. Second one is true or false. It never bother about it. It is known as what? Short circuit evaluation. Please follow. 10 greater than 2 and 30 greater than 40 and 4 greater than 2 and what? 5 greater than 6. Come on. First one. First one. True. Compulsory it will go to second. Because based on first to true, it cannot take the decision of true or false. Yes or no? Second one is what? False. It is more than enough to say that second, third, and fourth further subsequent relational expressions will not be evaluated. And final result is what? False only. Final result is false only. In the second time when it comes, third and fourth will not be evaluated. This is comes under what? Short circuit evaluation. Answer is what? False. Is it not minimizing the processing time? Is it not fastest evaluation? This is known as what? Short circuit evaluation. People will ask you, what do you mean by short circuit evaluation? You have to say, if multiple relational expressions are connected with what operator? And operator, if the initial expression is false, PVM will not evaluate the rest of the subsequent relational expressions, and the total result of the entire logical expression is going to become false. This process of evaluation is called short circuit evaluation. Is it clear? Now go to 10 greater than 2, 40 greater than 30, and 40 greater than 20, and 4 greater than 2. True. First one, will it go to second? Yes, 100% it will go to second. Second also what? Compulsory it will go to third. Compulsory it will go to for all of them are true, true, true. Then only result is true. This is also called what? Full length evaluation it is. Which length evaluation? Did you understand this? Well, online students, I hope you are following me. Example 1 is clear. Under example 2, this is false. False. So, what happens? Okay. So, this is comes under this one. What this is known as, students? Short circuit. Short circuit evaluation. Evaluation. It is next also called what? Short circuit evaluation. This is also called false now, students. It is also short circuit evaluation, students. It is also called false. This is comes under what? Short circuit evaluation. It is a true. What is this now? Full length evaluation. Full length evaluation. Full length evaluation. I hope you are following me. So, clear? Right. This is about what operator? And operator. About the questions of what I am interested in. After finishing of what? Or operator, and operator, I will explain. Are you following this? Now, coming to the point back. This is comes under whenever there is a false, we are going to come across. Here I am going to write it. Short circuit evaluation. I am writing one simple point there. Short circuit evaluation in the case of what? In the case of what operator? And operator. Shall I write the description? Yes. Now I will write the short circuit evaluation in the case of and operator. Carefully follow. Tell me if two or more relational expressions connected with what? Logical connected with and operator and if initial maybe second or first or whatever it is, if it is containing a number of relational expression, beginning one, second one, third one, something like initial relational expression result is, if the initial relational expression result is what? False, then pvm will not evaluate pvm will not evaluate rest of the relational expressions and the result of entire logical expression is evaluated as, come on, false. This process of evaluation is called what? Yes, short circuit evaluation. Clear? Yes, clear. Now this is, if anybody asks you this, you need to tell. Short circuit evaluation, what do you mean by that? You have to ask, are you asking, sir, with respect to AND operator or operator? You have to ask that. Are you following? This is about what? AND operator. My mind-blowing questions will be after finishing OR and NOT, I will go to next level questions. Are you following? Next, I will go to the next operator I am taking. What is the next? Right. Go to this next. I'm going to say another one. I'm going to enter into the next part of it. Second one is called OR operator. I'll go to the shop and I will ask, I want to buy either pen or pencil. I want to buy pen or pencil. Anyone. I will ask, do you have pen? He say no. Do you have pencil? Yes. No means what? False. Yes means what? Yes, I will buy it. Anyone is there, I will buy it. Both of them not there, I will go to other shop. Simple. Come on, ma. What is this now? OR. The functionality of OR operator is given in the following truth table. What is this now? OR. What is the word of OR to recognize? Either or. Either or. In English, either or is coming, you have to apply OR. Both comes and simple blind rule for you. Come on now, take the combinations and answer my question. True or false? Good. Next. True. Next. Good. Next. Yes. True. This is very simple. I will go to the example 1, example 2, example 3. I will go to this place. Example number 1. Easy for you. Now I'm going to write very, very easy, students. True or false. True. Next I will go to where? What is the next term? I will go to false or next is what? False or what? True. Answer is what? True. Next is what? False or false? Come on. False. True or true? True. True or true is true. Easy. So this is an answer. This is a basic level part. Truth table example. So now I will carry this. Now I'll put it here. Done, students. Very, very easy. True or here I got it. Nice. I'll go to example 2. Example 2 I will take up. Example 2 I will take up. Now I'm going to enter into the further. Example 2 I'm going to take up. Be careful. Try to take up. 10 greater than 2 or 20 greater than 30 or 40 greater than, sorry, first you take like that. What is the first one? True. True. Will it go to second? No. Why? It may be true or false. I never bother about it. Result is what? True. It won't go. It is known as which evaluation? Short circuit evaluation. Short circuit evaluation. Are you following me? Next. 10 greater than 2, 10 less than 2, 10 less than 2, or 10 greater than 2, 10 greater than 2, or 4 greater than 5, or 6 greater than 5 greater than 6. Answer is what? First one is what? Definite it will go to where? Second. Second one is what? True. False and true. True. It will not go to second and third and fourth, etc. The total result is what? True. So simple. Getting students? 10 greater than 2 or 10, 10 greater than 10 greater than 20 or 20 greater than 30 or 40 greater than 50. False. That is compulsory called full length evaluation. It's very simple for you. Are you able to follow? Simple. Now I'm going to take up that. Here I'm going to write it. Answer is called what? True. This is comes under what evaluation? Short circuit evaluation. Short circuit evaluation. It is also called what now? True and short circuit evaluation. The answer is called what here? False. This is called false. There I am going to say full length evaluation. I will write it. Full length evaluation. I am going to mention it. I hope you are following. This is about concept of what? Full length evaluation or and all those things. Is it clear? Now, further, I will cover one more operator also. I am also eagerly waiting for asking that very popular question where you cannot answer anything. So, not operator, I want to tell you. Beginning only I will tell you. You cannot answer it. 100% you cannot answer. There అందులో doubt ఏం లేదు. Because I am saying from last 10 years onwards. So, let us coming to the not operator. These are all, I don't ask when I'm taking interview. No, I don't ask these questions. Straightforward, I'll go to my popular question. If not answering, coming to next level, next level, next level. Finally, not operator I'm going to take. Not. What is meant by not? Opposite to the result of existing result of relational expression. Not relational expression. Easy students. If the relational expression is giving true, not true, false. If relational expression is false, not false, true. That's all. The truth table of the functionality of not operator is given in the following table. This is not necessary. No need to write. No need to write this entire things. No need to write this. No need to write. I will write what? Not relational expression 1. What is the result of relational expression 1? True. What is the not? False. What is the relational expression 1? Not true. Are you following? Now go to the example 1. Here I will go to example 1. Show example 1. Who is this? Sir, should we write all these in notes? Am I writing in notes or not? Are we writing in notes or not? No? Am I not writing? That's why I want to remove this guy. Even I said last day I took a permission from all the students in the online. Everybody said remove that guy from the meeting, they said. Online students, is it same decision is there with you or not? Come on, everybody. Is the same decision you are having? See how fast it is coming. So, how fast it is. Now, who is that? So, coming to the point. If they disturb now, you also will do it. Suppose if I am going to communicate with him, you will disturb or not? Serious students will get disturbed. Correct or not? If I don't control that candidate, Controlling in the sense, not subject doubt, is ignoring is not good. Suppose you are my student, 20 times committing mistake. If I ignore you, I'm not a good teacher. I have to give treatment. Injection I have to give, injection. Injection I have to give, that's all. That is my style. Okay, let us go to the point. Whenever I feel when my mood is not good, definitely that day is the last day. Definitely. Okay. So please follow. Get to the subject. Now I will go to the subject. Here I am going to say not true. Not true. What is that? Not false. True. This is the one. Now I'll ask one beautiful questions. Any will answer wrong. Compulsory will answer wrong. No doubt in that. I don't know. So I'm asking some next level questions now. This is comes under what? All the operators over or not? Now I will ask some special questions here. Today, tomorrow, 7:40 is the time. Just today, tomorrow. The time is not sufficient. Time is not sufficient. Time is not sufficient. Okay, one sample question I will ask you. Oh, yes, sir. Not. True. That is the talent. Did you understand? That is the subject I want to ask. If I ask this one, not 10 greater than 20. 10 greater than 20 is what actually? Not false. You will answer. Now I'll ask a question. Not and. Come on. Syntax error. మీరు అనుకుంటారు అట్లా కానీ that is false. That I'll explain tomorrow. Suspense. Okay. Thank you, students. Don't miss tomorrow class. Tomorrow I will tell you this. Right? Don't miss tomorrow class. Okay. Thank you. All the best. Take care.